Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am just going to be, yes guys, I am giving you my go-to skincare and makeup routine that gives me the natural glowy look without breaking the bank. Whether you're on a new skincare journey or you're just on a budget, this is the routine for you. Simple. I'm not going to do makeup. I'm just going to basically clean my skin and then apply it along with makeup to see how well it works with makeup, and just do like an everyday kind of makeup. Hot Tamugi Kumano Cosmetics. It's a Japanese brand. So I'm just going to do a little bit of oil cleansing. Yes, and I've been doing that because my skin has gotten a little bit drier. Because you know the season is changing. Also my voice was affected recently because I think I did something that I shouldn't have done, and I don't usually do that. I don't usually wash my hair at night because it has like a negative negative effect on my skin. So I don't really like to wash my face at night, but I was in the rain recently and I got wet, and it kind of forced me to like wash my hair very late. It's not something that I usually do, but I ended up washing my hair late at night, which I'm not really proud of, because this is the face. We are gonna go in with this. This is what you girls been using. This one is from CosRX. This one is the low pH good morning cleanser. Yes, it's almost finished, but I've been using it in the morning times because I love how it smells mostly, and I love the fact that it is very calming on my skin and it doesn't make my skin feel irritated. So it's actually a good thing. Yeah, I have to use my old braids. And then okay, and this one is the bad boy peptide complex hyaluronic acid and exome vitamin B5 niacinamide basically. And we go in with that jelly substance. We just apply it to the, and just makes my skin feel so nice. And just get your skin nice and hydrated without doing much. So I just leave that to dry, and I go in with the next product from the system, the PDRM Exome Ampule. Love this. Just take a little bit. Also helps with the hydration and the pores. It makes the pores look like there's no pores. This is a moisturizer, so I just apply that to my face. Just offers my skin with a lot of hydration. Quick and easy. Look at the skin's hydration. Alright, so I'm going with a primer. And even though we're not really doing makeup per se, but yeah, SPF from Claire's. And then we're just going to massage it into the skin a bit. See that? Skin is nice and glowy. Usually I would apply this. This is the Goodgrip primer from SheGlam. I would apply this before my SPF, but I wanted to do it this way today because I'm about to apply makeup, so I want to see if it will make a difference. I'm just going to pat it in like so. Okay. So I'm going to apply, this one is the SheGlam Divine Flush Matte Blush, and in the shade Scrolling. Okay, my skin is a little bit irritated, guys. As I said before, I applied a little bit of bronze blush and we didn't properly wash it off, so I'm going to just apply a little bit here. Just a little. Look at that. It's like, and then we also have a little bit of bronzer from SheGlam as well. This one is in Umber, SheGlam Umber. Yeah, I'm gonna use my fingers and just basically apply it here. Yeah, a little bit here. Some also here. And to just basically pat that bad boy in like so. And another. It's just going to help my skin to have a little bit of definition. Yeah, basically. My skin is a little bit irritated, but it'll get better. Take a little bit here, my nose, and a little bit here on my nose. Maybe take a little bit here, little bronzer here, brows, and it's powdered, guys, so. And that is my face. The SheGlam powdered foundation in the color Mocha. You can see. Using this big powdered sponge. Just gonna take a little bit right here. Okay, guys, so I'm using again, this one is caramel. This one is from SheGlam, as I said before, and I'm using a sponge, like just giving it a tap under my eyes. So I use caramel like T-zones, and then I use mocha all over the face to give me that bronzy effect. No? And then I just basically use a mocha right here and right here, and just tap over it a little bit to bring back to allow the colors to come alive again. I think you're supposed to use this during summer, but haven't gotten a chance, so I'm going to use it now. Your girl. And I'm going to curl my lashes because I feel like it looks better when it's curled, and you can actually see my eyelashes. And then we're gonna curl. So see, my skin is like very hydrated, very nice. Yeah, this is actually fall vibe. And then this is just my Maybelline, but this purple one, or lavender. And I basically just apply it to my lashes, like at the tip, like that, and then after I just fan it. My eyelashes are just flourishing. See, you have to avoid lashes and stuff like that, or else you're gonna look like a plucked chicken. And then this is your girl, just brushing the brows because I want to stay true to my eyebrows. Nice. And then so it's giving natural. So the nose, sometimes you have to like give it a rub. That's the reason why I don't apply a lot of products to it, so it doesn't have that look like your makeup is cracking off. Yeah, I want to make sure that the nose is still, it looks like nose. So just basically take the sponge and just swipe it. Just make sure that it's smooth, so when I'm sweating I don't have makeup on my nose sweating off. Basically give it a rub. Look at the skin, guys. And see, this is drugstore makeup. This is not even drugstore, this is online SheGlam affordable makeup. See, because my lips are a little bit discolored, and this is us. Hey guys, so this is the outfit. Turn it around.